Okay, I got it to work. So here's the long list of what I did. So I decided I didn't want to use this x position variable for anything other than what it actually works for. Since I know that it works for this little guy, for the cursor, okay, so what I did was I just decided to take the conversion here that I did for the cursor and just use that for the GUI, for the moving the GUI too. I mean, might as well, right? So I just changed everything from X position to this, you see. So that's all it is. So this is the X, this is the Y, right? And it still uses all the same code. And then it computes the offset. And the offset actually works pretty good, except for it's a little too much. So what I did, oh, and so that just every time the mouse is moved, that's updated. Okay. Every time I did a toggle, I created a new variable, a boolean variable. And so we got the left mouse button. If it's pressed, it gets true. If it's released, it gets changed to false. Okay. And so then I actually went into main, yes, main, and I just put this in right here. And this can all be put into an actual function within the basic class. But anyway, so I set it to true, and then I've got the 12 vertices, and I did plus equals. Then I just divided the offset by 2 times 10, or whatever, that 100 times. It's 1920 divided by 100 times 2, which is 38.4. And the same thing for 1080p, 21.6. Anyways, here's the end result. So you can see there's my cursor. We can make it so it's a little bit more visible there. And all I do is hit the left mouse button and then it moves. It's somewhat unintuitively, like when the mouse is still, it still keeps like one of the coordinates. I don't know if I could, like if the mouse isn't moving, maybe I could set up a variable in here for when the mouse is moving. And then when the mouse isn't moving. That would be insane. Yeah, insane. Yeah, I might have to do something with the time clock in regard to that. But for now, this is cool enough. It's moving the GUI. It's just instead of moving this, it's moving this, and mostly what I like is that it's using the mouse button. So that's kind of a cool thing. I learned how to do that. Shared it on to you guys. I'm sharing as I'm learning, so there we go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't you like how the third part video is only 3 minutes, but the other two videos are like 10 minutes long, 15, 20 minutes long. Okay, and please leave comments in the section below the video. I appreciate that. I like all the comments and look forward to more videos. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching.